And we are now here in Eden. Yeah, the name of the place is Eden. And in here, this is Eden Killer Whale Museum. Yeah, the entrance fee is $15. In front, there is the police station. Yeah, as you can see over there. Should I go inside or no? Yeah, but it's beautiful here. Residential area. It costs a little bit, the $15, but I'm not sure if I'm going inside. The most memorable museum that I have been to is the one in Cambodia. Yeah, the Genocide Museum. It's really heartfelt. No good feeling, you know. Yeah, you feel sad, you feel anger. Yeah, mixed emotion you're going to feel. And there's one beautiful spot on that side. Really nice looking. This cemetery here in Eden, and they are clean. Always looks clean. All the cemetery here in Australia, they are always they are properly taken care of. Yeah, they are always clean, and they are always having flowers. It means people always visited their loved ones. Yeah, that's why living just beside the cemetery is not scary. Yeah, look at that. There are houses over there in front. And I showed to you also before in Anna Bay. Yeah, there is a cemetery, and then just a few meters is a residential area. Oh, this is the, I forgot the name of the place, but it's still here in Eden. Yeah, beautiful blue water, brown sand. Nice. And there is a beautiful looking big formation of rocks, like a cliff, all the way to that side residential area. And you know, the people on this car, they are old couple, and they are looking at the map, so they are also a traveler. Oh, now I know. The name of the place is Aslan's Beach, and we are walking here now. There is actually a rock pool. Yeah, just on that big rock. Seeing places like this is enough for me. I don't need to swim. Look at that, the water is very clear, and there are some moss on the rocks. Nice. Scary looking too. I wonder where is the water coming from. Yeah, or maybe this is generated by a machine, a water pump to get inside here. Yeah, because the water, it keeps on going down on the, yeah, there is a drainage to get out the water, and then replaced by, oh, maybe just that, those water that is coming from the ocean, maybe just that, maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, that's it. I'm going back now to the car. It's already raining on that far side. Yeah, and also the sky here is going to have a rain, looks like. And so we are going to the grocery. I'm very hungry now. Yeah, the bread is not enough. I eat the crackers, but it's not enough. The sky flakes. I'm going to get 1 kilo of rice. Yeah, this is $2.95. I'm getting this one, a bottle of yeah, juice. This is $4.50. Oh, this is what I actually looking for. Yeah, this is a big water container, and you know this is just yeah, $4.40, 10 liters of water. Yeah, I'm going to get that instead of this juice. Or I'll get one of this butter. Yeah, I will use this for cooking and the spread. It's the $3.65. I'm going to get one of these. Actually, two. Yeah, two different. Okay, but this is heavy. I am really hungry now. That's why I'm going to eat this meat pie. I check online. There are several Thai, Chinese restaurants around the area here in Eden, but yeah, they are expensive. Maybe $12, $15 per meal. While this thing that I just bought, to meat pie is at $2.50, so $5. And then the water, 10 liters of water is $4.50. Yeah. And then the rice, $2.50. And the butter, $3.65. Yeah, that is already equivalent to one restaurant meal, about $12-15 something. But of course the meal is convenient, ready to eat, comfortable to eat, but we are saving. That's why we sacrifice the convenience. Okay, I'm good, satisfied with the meal. I have other meat pie, curry flavor. Oh, it's not $2.50, it's actually $2.90. Oh, the flavor is curry, beef curry. I'm going to eat that later. I'll just chuck this in the bin. In the Victoria. So this place is now Victoria. Victoria is a different state, another state of Australia. Yeah, neighboring state of New South Wales. Was a long drive, and it took me 886.2 kilometers from my apartment in Nelson Bay. We are now in the parts of Victoria. Yeah, and yeah, maybe 10 minutes ago when I was on the road, I saw the sign, welcome to Victoria. And this one is a rest area, and it is allowed to stay here up to 72 hours. The name of the place is Genoa, and we're going to stay here maybe until tonight because this is a good place. There is a toilet. So I was coming from the other side of the bridge, and this is how it is in here. Looks like there's no business going on this side of the bridge. Actually, that bridge is closed for the car. And there's one hotel there. The name is Hotel Motel. Yeah. And I don't know, I think this one is before an establishment, maybe a store, but looks like unattended anymore. Looks like a petrol station, but not anymore. So we are in the regional area of Victoria. If I'm not mistaken, it's about 5 hours more to Melbourne, the city. I'm not sure. We're going back now. I'm now going to set up my sleeping bed, and it's already 5:32. You know, I think this water is one-time use. If I open this, cannot close anymore. I don't know. I'll keep it here in the front. Okay, that's flat already. Then I need to remove my shoes, and it is going to stay here. Oh, this is going to be my garbage bin. I'll keep that here. My backpack here, and my power bank will stay here under the. And today I'm going to put this. In the previous 2 days that I sleep, no, not, yeah, 3 nights that I sleep, I actually didn't use this this like my bed. And like what I've said, this one I am keeping it here, and because it's still early. Oh, it's the other side. Yeah, like that. Yeah, because it's still early, I will just lounging here like this.